Welcome to Canbook, your smart partner for managing clients, bookings, and your entire business from one simple dashboard. In this video, we'll learn how to add your first client. This is the most basic and important step to get started. Don't worry, it's super simple. Let's begin. Why adding a client matters. Your clients are the heart of your business. Whether you run a salon, spa, fitness center, sports academy, or anything else. In Canbook, adding clients helps you store all their details, remember birthdays and anniversaries, and send offers or reminders easily. So once your business is onboarded, this is the first step you should complete. Open the Add Client form. On your business dashboard, look at the Clients card under Your Business at a Glance and click Clients. You'll see your client list here. It may be empty if you're adding your first one. Now click the Add Client button. A simple, easy-to-fill form will open. Now enter your client's information, name and phone number. Required for bookings, messages, and reminders. Email, optional, useful for updates and future email campaigns. Gender, helps personalize communication. Birthday and anniversary, Canbook will remind you, so you can send offers or greetings. Notes, add anything important like prefers evening appointments or VIP client. Review the details once before saving. Click the Add button at the bottom. Great job! Your client is now added. You'll see them in your client list, and you can view or edit details anytime. Later, you can track their bookings, visit history, and even send them campaigns directly from Canbook. And that's it! Adding clients in Canbook is quick and effortless. When you add clients regularly, your business stays organized and ready. Canbook automatically connects your clients with bookings, campaigns, and reminders, saving you hours of manual work. Keep growing with Canbook, your business simplified.